can a fourth degree equation have only 3 different solutions? A degree 4 polynomial seems as if it should produce 4 roots, and in one important sense it does. But the word different changes the question. One root can be counted more than once. Consider the equation x squared minus 1 times x minus 2 squared equals 0. This is a fourth degree polynomial because x squared minus 1 has degree 2, and x minus 2 squared also has degree 2. Add the degrees, and the total degree is 4. Now factor the first part. X squared minus 1 becomes x minus 1 times x plus 1. So the equation is x plus 1 times x minus 1's x minus 2 equals 0. A product equals 0 when at least one factor equals 0. The first factor gives x equals negative 1. The second gives x equals positive 1. And the squared factor gives x equals 2. That appears to be only 3 answers: negative 1, positive 1, and 2. But look carefully at x minus 2 squared. It contains the same factor twice, x minus 2 times x minus 2. So x equals 2 is a double root. It occupies one location on the number line, but it counts twice in the polynomial's root multiplicity. The 4 root slots are therefore negative 1, positive 1, 2, and 2. This is the distinction between distinct roots and roots counted with multiplicity. The polynomial has 3 distinct real solutions, but 4 complex roots counted with multiplicity. In this example, all 4 counted roots happen to be real. The graph shows the difference immediately. At x equals negative 1, the graph crosses the horizontal axis. At x equals positive 1, it crosses again. But at x equals 2, the graph only touches the axis and turns back. Why does it bounce instead of crossing? Near x equals 2, the fact x minus 2 squared is always 0 or positive. Its sign does not change when x passes through 2. So the whole polynomial reaches 0 there without switching from positive to negative or from negative to positive. At the simple roots negative 1 and positive 1, the corresponding factors occur only once. Their signs change as x passes through the root, so the graph crosses the axis. The fundamental theorem of algebra is often summarized by saying that a degree 4 polynomial has 4 roots. The precise statement is that a non-constant degree 4 polynomial has 4 complex roots when multiplicity is counted. It does not promise 4 real roots, and it does not promise 4 distinct values, so no root has disappeared. One of the 4 counts is stacked on top of another at x equals 2. The equation has degree 4 roots counted with multiplicity, but only 3 distinct solution values.